you guys do this thing
Oh,
and
Hitwa.
keep a serious
So,
face?
okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Emmanuel from Hygiene. So please, can you tell us your name and your course of study?
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Adejuwon. I'm studying cell and genetics.
Okay, can you tell us the career path around your course of studies?
Okay, we have a lot actually. I think I'm going to start with the career paths I am currently pursuing, and that's bioinformatics and health data science. Actually, I'm interested in the intersection of artificial intelligence, data science methodologies, and molecular biology. So basically, what we just do is that we use data science techniques to analyze maybe biological data, make sense of it, so even design drugs, design vaccines, they still fall under that umbrella. That's one. We have embryology, as people that study embryo, you won't think of IVF. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one thing you won't think of. We have clinical genetics, or clinical geneticists. So these are guys that are interested in the genetics underlying certain clinical conditions. Yeah, so you see them doing series of tests to identify what's genetic disorder or genetic disease a patient is suffering from. We also have conservation biologists or conservation biology. So that's for those conservation. So just trying to like ensure your natural resources, or even biodiversity is conserved and not replenished. And that one can think of. I think one people don't exactly talk about is genetic counseling. It could be a genetic counselor or talk to people. What are the chances of you suffering from a particular genetic disorder if you guys end up together? That's one route. Then I think another thing people don't really pay attention to in this part of the world is bio illustrators and animators. So if you're the kind of person that likes to draw and animate, you might want to kind of get a biologist, or you like to draw and illustrate biological pathways, or even molecules or something. You might want to like consider this career path, and trust me, this guy's in good ton of money. That's like pretty. There are a lot of them, sure, but
Wow.
like, it's certain because of time. I just mentioned
Yeah,
this.
that's really a whole
Then
lot.
maybe you want to think of forensic biology too. So if you're the kind of person that likes CSI, NCIS, you like coming to a crime scene and figuring out, okay, who committed this particular crime. Yeah, you might want to think forensic science.
Just like the CIA guys.
Oh yes. Well, CIA actually, they have like a forensic unit to,
Okay.
if there's a need, if they are probably doing an investigation that requires a forensic scientist expertise, then let's call on those guys. Yeah.
So where do you see CBG in the next 5 years?
Okay. I think that's a tough one. Okay, so I might not be able to give a particular answer to that, but judging by Nigeria's unique landscape, we all know that we are still, when it comes to sciences in Nigeria, we're not there yet. We are still struggling. But I think looking at things now, I think we are starting to see that people are starting to know what you can do with cell biology and genetics, CBG. And I think we have the pandemic to thank, COVID-19 pandemic to thank. So I see in the next 5 years, I see students or people that are fully aware of the numerous possibilities that are available in cell biology and genetics, and the things they could do, the very nice things they could do, from diagnostics to R&D, research and development, to even entrepreneurship, yeah, in the space. So yes, I think that's where I see a lot of people getting aware of what they can do with cell biology and genetics, and I see a lot of people like trying to like fix themselves into that space. Yeah.
Okay. The last question is: if you are to be reassigned into this university, will you still choose CBG?
Oh, I think so actually. No, no, I think so. Sorry, I know so. I think I'll pick CBG over and over and over again. I don't think I I don't regret picking it, and I think it's one of the best decisions I've made.
All right. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Thanks for your time. Okay. Good afternoon.
So good
I
afternoon.
am Emmanuel.
Sorry, sorry. Okay.
Okay, just play that part. Play that part. Let's see.
Yeah, okay. How do you guys do this thing
Hold it
and
to
keep
her.
a serious
So
face?